Here in Texas, we don't just cook chicken, we give it time, smoke, and respect. This isn't a rush job, it's a slow dance between fire and the meat. And whether you're cooking in your backyard, at a campsite, or on a hunting and fishing trip, this recipe works perfectly on a tailgate pellet grill. We wanted to show you how to make it so you can bring real Texas flavor anywhere you go. Before we get started, we just want to say thank you. We've hit 2,000 subscribers, and it's because of all of you who've joined us on our adventures. I season my chicken with 2 Gringos Chupacabra Cluckaliscious. It's got the perfect mix of savory and smoky spice. You can use whatever seasoning you like, but in Texas we believe the rub is the handshake that introduces the meat to the smoke. Growing up here, my dad would fire up the pit on a Saturday morning, and you could smell the mesquite drifting across the yard before the sun was high. He'd stand there turning the meat slow, telling stories, and teaching me that barbecue wasn't just about eating, it was about family, patience, and respect for the process. Now I keep that tradition alive right here at home. My dad's no longer with us, but every time I light the smoker, it feels like he's standing right there with me. Sometimes when the smoke first rolls out and that smell hits me, I'm right back to those old Saturdays, watching the fire crackle, listening to him talk about fishing trips, camping out under the stars, and the kind of food that always brought people together. That's why I love cooking like this. It's more than just a meal. It's something you can share with friends, on a camping trip, after a long day on the trail, or even just here on the back porch with family. And the best part is, it doesn't take much to make it happen. Just a little seasoning, some good smoke, and the patience to let the grill do its work. I think that's why the style of cooking feels so connected to the outdoors. It slows you down, gives you a chance to sit back, enjoy the smell in the air, and listen to the world around you, and just be in the moment. Whether I'm in the woods, walking down by the lake, or right here at home, the first bite always takes me back. Every time I cook like this, I'm not just making food, I'm making memories. If you like this little taste of Texas, hit that subscribe button and stick around. There's always another story to tell, and always another cook on the horizon. I set my pellet grill to 225 degrees, low and slow, just like he taught me. Lay the chicken down and shut the lid. Don't rush it. In Texas, barbecue patience is the secret ingredient. The smoke will wrap around the chicken, working its way deep into every bite, just like those Saturday mornings wrapped around my childhood. Whether you're cooking on a campsite or right here on your back porch, this is proof that good barbecue doesn't need fancy setting, it just needs heart. This is LoveLeigh Adventures, where great food and good memories are always part of the journey. After about an hour, I check the temp. Today they're sitting at 125 degrees after 52 minutes. My dad always said, don't cook to time, cook to temp. He was right. Every cut of meat is different and the smoker has its own mood. So I close the lid, let the smoke roll, and give it the time it needs to climb to the perfect 160 before pulling it off. It's not just cooking, it's carrying on the lesson he left me. Slow down, pay attention, and let the meat tell you when it's ready. It's when the meat truly becomes something worth sharing. And there it is, juicy, tender, smoky chicken, Texas style. Simple ingredients, slow cooking, big flavor.